Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the cutting-edge world of technology and innovation, Rocket. In this video, we're about to embark on a journey into the realm of high-ticket AI, a revolutionary concept that's reshaping industries and transforming businesses like never before. What is high-ticket AI? High-ticket AI refers to the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into high-value, complex, and high-stakes scenarios across various sectors. From finance to healthcare, from manufacturing to customer service, high-ticket AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, unlocking unprecedented efficiency, accuracy, and decision-making capabilities. Everybody's talking about AI. You've probably seen AI profile photos, AI-generated images, AI chatbots and more. But here's the problem. No one is showing you how to truly get paid, let alone getting $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 and even $20,000 payments through the power of AI. What we're about to show you is how we're using a brand new AI technology of $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 and even $20,000 straight into our bank account. And the great thing is, you don't even have to be an expert to do this, because the AI does the hard work for you. This is the most powerful way to apply AI to the world of making money online. High-ticket AI features. Coming up next is what you will find in high-ticket artificial intelligence. They will provide you with a full clarification of how they currently use artificial intelligence to make and advance high-ticket bundles that get large number of dollars per client. Most importantly, with high-ticket artificial intelligence, you'll get all that you want to succeed and advance precisely the way in which they're using man-made intelligence to trade out $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, and indeed, $20,000 payouts. You can achieve this paying little mind to where you dwell in the universe and with next to no earlier mastery. Simply comply with the principles. For what reason do you actually stand by excessively lengthy? Nothing stands to lose. Attempt it now and get the reward recorded beneath. Also, you'll get our out and out preparing on how we're utilizing man-made intelligence right now to make and sell high-ticket projects that pay you thousands for each client. Primary concern, you'll get all that you should find success with high-ticket computer-based intelligence, and you'll find precisely the way in which we're trading out $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 and indeed, $20,000 installments by utilizing the force of simulated intelligence! 30-day money-back guarantee. If you found this video intriguing, share it with your friends, colleagues, and fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's spread the knowledge and inspire others to embrace the remarkable journey of high-ticket AI. Thanks for tuning in. Let's embark on this illuminating voyage together. Rocket, robot, crystal ball. Get instant access now.